Since we are done with this one, we're going to go to database, and we also start, I think, from how we had stopped there. But in database, we are only interested in this calculated data or the other raw data, okay? And we also do something that is required. This one, I think we can save it, everything. Come to item 2, right click, okay? New, then you come to Microsoft Access, okay? And here still the same name, skills, but example, database, okay? Then you come here, right click and open it. After opening, remember we don't want to start from scratch. Let's click enable content, and we come here to create, okay? Not create, go for external data, come to Excel, okay? We're importing now. Import, okay? I import what is on my work, okay? Go to your folder, ready? Go to your folder, item 2, open it. I have opened it, so okay. Okay. Give it time. So here I want to raw data. If you have any other one that you want, you choose it from here. Did it, eh? But I want to raw data. Okay. Come and say next. Okay. Next. And next. Okay. Think regular, that's fine. Next. And you click finish. It's okay. So close. So here, since we have here this one, and we just need to, we did everything in Excel here, okay? So also have to show them that at least we can do something in database, okay? Yes, we can do something in database. So try it and see, okay? Let's go to database now. What did they want? What can we approach? We start by forming a form, an input file. This is a table. All before going there, first go to design view. Okay, under design view, look for program short text, participant name short text, training group short text. Here you can now bring a lookup wizard. Okay, say open lookup wizard. I will type my own. Okay. Remember we had is a female or male, okay? So finish, okay? Then come career field short text, just registration fee is a number, so we have currency, lunch fee, currency. Actually, I have remembered even the other side, we have also to go there and put currency. Amount paid, currency still, payment mode short text, okay? And just right click and save. Saving, say yes. Can even close it, okay? And come here and rename it. Name it skills. Data table. Skills bootcamp. Skills boot camp data table. Okay. Let's first I think you see this Excel. This Excel. So from here, I think you start from consumed data. So this Excel. It's freezing. It's a little bit freezing. Try to. Here in Excel, under calculated data, actually. We're supposed to select keyboard like this. It's a bit. Let's first leave it to max as we are on this side. Okay. So we first now bring a form. Remember, I'm supposed to bring a query. Whatever. Even here, you can start by a query because at least you must have a table, a query, okay, then a form and a report, okay. Queries have maybe a query, bootcamp, and you say close. My query, I can bring the participant name, okay, and then what training group, okay, and a list. Let me leave 6, okay. Then the third. Then under training, I can say maybe that is you bring group A, okay. And bring the group A, okay. Then I run my query. I have my query as group A. Save it as group A. Wait, there. Go back, okay. Create, then query wizard, okay. Again add, then you say cross. Again bring the red number, okay. Participant name, okay. Training group, okay. Then further. After there, you can again under training group criteria. Tell us that please you want group B, okay. You run the query, okay. Then you can say group B members, okay. Come again the query, add, close, number, okay. Expand the name, okay. Training group, and the career field. Then here you say on a training group you say group C. It should be the right name by the way, so we have the right as well. Group C. Then you run the query. Okay. Save it as group C. Group C. Okay. So that one comes here under the table. You can create for us a form. And the form, get a form. Bring everything. I want to square it here. Okay. We go under. First come here. Remember, I want to save it. First change its name. Skill bootcamp. Enter form. Okay. And just come here. This one also delete it. Come enter form. And the home. We come to the center. Okay. Then still I go back to design view, design view, okay. Remember I want to reduce them, select one, the rest can be reduced, so that one. Then I can now add the button, I can bring buttons again, button here. That button is a record operation button, add, then you say next, okay. Text should be, you can say add, okay, or save, then you say add. New, so when you click it, it brings new information, Next, you can leave it there, another button, okay, put it there, code operation. Now this one can be maybe deleted. Next, text should be now delete, okay, delete, bring another button, okay. It can be the code operations now can be saved. Save and click save. Okay, click finish. Can try to arrange them very well so that they look as if they are very well organized. So you can come one because you have a little space. Come here, put it here, put it here, okay, put it here, okay. Then I can right click, from header, footer, fill color. Put fill color to this one. So from now I go to right click and form view. I have something like this, okay. But the fill color I think is not bring out the labels very well. Go to the design view, fill color, just change the fill color, okay. But when you go to form view, at least you're able to see these ones, okay. I can think here we have finished the form. Then let's go to. You can even add your footer to the form. Design view, okay. Come here. Some label here in the text and right there. This one. Supposed to be this one. Let's first leave it. Okay. Then okay. Think we have done something. Let's go now and create a report. You can create a report. You can create everything by the way. Report to create. Outcome. Create. Then we go to report and bring the report. Okay. Come report. That it generates for you the minimum money. Report. Just right click here, we save it as a report. Report. Okay. Like this one. Okay. So we are just remaining now, making sure everything comes out on one paper. Okay. Make number. Well, I come this side. At the end, I make sure I have payment models. Okay. Something like this. Okay. Okay. So something like so very big enough. Right. Can I go back and make sure they are small? or you just bring a report on one, let me say, you can call it a report of group C. You get it? Something like this, and just go. Yes. Go and report it. Then to bring you a report about group C. Okay. Then under here you try. Make sure this everything comes to one page. Now, yeah. Then under here, let's say report. Report on group C. Done. Okay. Then here you have your report, you have your forms, you have your queries, and you have your table. Okay. So that's all I think about database. You can add more. Get it, the relationships and so on. Okay. So that is it. Thank you for this one.